You'll be able to access the instructions for discussions this week if you click on week 2 and then look for the week 2 discussion prompt. But also if you click on the discussions link on the course menu. So we only have one reply prompt for this week. And it basically asks you to write objectives and entry skills to target in your group project. Now you're going to go in and you're going to discuss with classmates, but what I want you to do is provide your take on how your group should go about doing this in your initial message. So you're not going to worry about what your other classmates may come up with. You're going to go through this exercise by yourself and you're going to post your ideas. And then once you do that, if you notice that all your other group mates enter similar objectives, then that's great. It means you have some agreement and then you can take it from there. If not, then you negotiate which objectives stay and which go, and then you take it from there. Then for your responses, what I would like for you to do is that you go and apply the rubric to the objectives that your group mates have provided. So I've linked it here. You'll also be able to find it on the assignment page. And what you'll do is that you'll go through the rubric evaluating your group mates' objectives and answer the rubric for yourself, but provide only your summary in the forum. We don't want the details of your evaluation. We want the summary and the ideas for improving the objectives of your classmates. So you're required to do one initial response to the reply prompt or one initial message, and then 2 responses evaluating your classmates' work. One idea here is don't try to be exhaustive so your group members can have something to suggest. So don't try to provide every possible objective that you can use. Maybe do this exercise for maybe 1 terminal objective or 2 at most. Also, I wanted to emphasize that when I use the double quotes here, I mean to use it to indicate that I like you to use the course readings to support your arguments, but they don't necessarily mean direct quotes. Paraphrasing is also acceptable. What I'm going to be looking for in your discussion is that you provide the minimum number of responses that I've requested, that you submit all messages by the deadline, that you use course readings, and again, this can be paraphrasing. It does not have to be directly quoting all the time. Don't feel like you have to basically compose your messages with lots of quotes. This is not my intention. And then, of course, when you say, I'm going to do this because Dick and Carrie recommend this, well, let's say that you said, Dick and Carrie say that the attitude objectives are those that have to do with the development of physical skills. That is incorrect, so that's not going to get you points. That means there's a problem with the understanding and you need to go back and reread. So accuracy of the content of citations is important, and also completeness. If I have 3, 4, 5, 2, 1 question that I want you to answer, I want you to answer all the questions. There's a reason for each. For the deadlines, the first message needs to be in by Wednesday, October the 29th. Any replies need to be in by Sunday, November the 2nd. And all deadlines are 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time.